Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Auto Viral AI Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this software called Auto Viral AI. So this is an Auto Viral AI review. Right now we are on the sales page. And before we talk about this product, which is waste of time for me, let's talk about something which is logical and commonsensical. Because if you think you will buy something in $17, $20 and then you will start making money, think again, okay? You will never make any single penny in buying something in $17, okay? Write that somewhere on a piece of paper or maybe print that on your wall, on your 4 walls in your room, that I will never make money in $17. So remind that to yourself each and every time because you will never make that money, okay? So coming back here, let's focus on the concept that you want to make money, okay? Now, it says here, step into future, blah, blah, blah. Before I come to the sales page, let me show you the real deal. Come here on this page, okay? Scroll down, and these are some videos which you can see later on as a proof. And look at this here. This is what I want to show you in the beginning, okay? $297. Date is 8th of February 2024, okay? $137. Date is 5 February 2024. And you can keep scrolling and you can keep looking at these screenshots. These are real proofs, okay? This is how the money is made. This is how the money is made. This is not how the money is made, okay? So if you want to get to know this method more in detail, then you will find some links below and then you can, check out this sales page and then you can check all these proofs, okay? So the real money is not made by buying something on this website Warrior Plus in $17. It's all waste of time. I am only recording the video because if I don't do this, then everybody else is a robot on YouTube. People who make these reviews, they are simply machines, robots, plastic body. They have the same script. Oh, go below my video, check out my 4 fucking bonuses for you. They keep giving you bonus orgasms and then you keep buying these shit products which you don't even need in your life and they have got nothing to do with making money and you keep buying them. If you don't believe me, then tell me one thing here. On this whole sales page, you only see $17, okay? But in the back end here, they will ask you to pay 17, then 27, 37, 47. What is going on here? You see, it's never ending, okay? It clarifies, it clearly proves that they want your money, nothing else, okay? So you see here, this is the funnel. And again, I will not waste my time on this, okay? My job is only to give you some green signal and red signal, and then I have to wind this up. So in case you want to check this out, how to make this kind of real money, then below my YouTube video, the first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. This will click on this link and it will tell you more about this method, okay? Second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money manually on YouTube like me, because when you make a YouTube video like me, like a review, then somebody else will buy and you will make money. Even if somebody will not buy, then still if your YouTube channel is monetized, then you will make money. For example, in this video which you're watching, I am not selling you anything, or if you do not buy anything from me, still this video has made some money for me because my YouTube channel is monetized because you have seen those ads in my YouTube video. Are we clear? Okay. So subscribe and like. These 2 methods I personally use. This one here, this is awesome. This is how it looks like. This is like Forex trading. You buy low, sell high, or buy high, sell low. We do this by using a software. More details coming shortly in the end, okay? And the second method I told you already, this is YouTube. When I have time, I come and make these videos, okay? Now, coming back to this software, auto something, by now you understand I have no interest because this is all stupid, okay? No one makes money by creating websites, blah, blah, blah. It's all fake. These screenshots, these screenshots proofs are all fake because all this money was made by selling these kind of software, okay? So these people come here, they sell these kind of software in low ticket cost, okay? So other people buy, thousands of people buy, and that's how they make money. Let me show you proof, okay? So you go to the profile, and I can show you. So you see last program was sold for 15 bucks, 2,000 plus people. So 15 into 1,000, minimum $15,000, okay? That's how they make money. Their program doesn't make money, their software doesn't make money, but they sell that software in the name of making money, and that's where they make money, okay? So trust me, you will make nothing if you buy this, okay? But by any chance you want to buy this, go and buy this, make me some money, who cares, right? So do we have the demo video somewhere here? I think we might have the demo video here. So if you come down below somewhere, I think I saw the demo video somewhere, now it's vanished. So I have to scroll up to find that, there it is, okay? So when you come halfway down, you see here, when you come halfway down on the sales page, then you will find a 6 minutes long demo video in which nobody is talking. So none of this will make you nothing, okay? This software will only make some websites for you. God knows what you will do with those websites. Nobody's going to come to their website. Nobody's going to buy anything. Nothing will happen except you will lose your money if you buy this, okay? So again, some art chicks, you will never get them because you will never make any money. So let's wind this up because I have to value my time. And in short, I will tell you one thing. Nothing from this website, Warrior Plus, will ever make you money. That's the bottom line, okay? The rest you are smart. If you want real methods, which I, as a real person, used to make my real money, check out these links. I have shown you proofs here. If you are smart enough, you will go and find your own way. Go and check out these never-ending proofs, as you can see here. Many proofs are here, videos are here. Go and check them out by clicking on the first link below. YouTube is for second thing. And watch the video till the end to know in detail how these methods work. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here, says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here. But if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you've verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video. So you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end. And after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype. Or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end. Otherwise, I will block you. Don't contact me without your, without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized. And in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally and I'm making money using both the methods because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my videos. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go in and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries. And you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send that emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my, on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video. So whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action. Because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to buy these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email, be my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $220 from one person from one sale, okay? So if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200. every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000. And that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything. And thank you so much for watching the video so far. And subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here. And thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.